Again a sign of disgust. The whole upper region of the nose goes up and you can see a lot of lines on the nose. That's a sign of disgust. This is contempt and disgust. Who is she? Yeah. You can see the lines over here and also this part of the face. Contempt means a sense of superiority. I look down upon the other person. And also the wrinkles on the nose is a clear sign of disgust. Disgust is I don't like. Need not be food, it can be a person also. Again a sign of disgust. The nose crinkling and you can see the lines on the nose. You can see the lines on the nose and the whole upper lip is pulled up, straight up. It's not smile. It's a clear sign of disgust. Nose wrinkling and upper lip raised. See, my role model is Charles Darwin. Anybody has read The Origin of Species here? Excellent. A book that I consider that even if you are not a scientist, you should read it. And he is an excellent observer. Darwin observed that the mouth of the dogs are wide. How many of you got pets? Okay, excellent. Darwin observed the mouth of the dog will be like open, wide, and when they are very happy. And basically they will be jumping and barking. And this bark is now some friendly bark. Even when kids are very happy, they are very light on the feet. They just move around. For us now, walking is such a big difficult task. 1000 kg, another 1000 kg. But dogs, when they are very happy, they are very light on their feet. At the same time, when dogs are angry, they are feeling aggressive, the teeth are bare, especially the canine teeth. This is the teeth that are reflected. He observed that in certain situations, the revealing of the canine only occurs on the side of the face threatening the animal. So it shows its aggressive tendencies. And a lot of us don't realize, we also show that in day-to-day interaction. When we sneer in contempt, we raise one side of the lip, not enough to reveal the canines, but just enough to communicate our aggressive position. We also do that. You may not have observed it, but hereafter you can start observing it. There will be one-sided lip, one-sided smile. I've seen a movie called 7G Rainbow Colony. In that the hero always smiles one-sided only. Yeah, the other side he won't smile. But just to communicate our aggressive position, and movements of rage often produce the same snarl as a dog. Can you see the difference? Here when they are very happy, and here when they are very aggressive. What is your predominant facial expression throughout the day? Is it this way or is it this way? Yeah, most of you may not know because you don't carry a mirror. You need to check out with your close friends. Nose is also something that is very expressive. There is no organ that responds quickly to attraction and repulsion as the nose. Nose, people think that it's not very expressive, but it is quite expressive. Even infants will turn away and screw up their nose in the smell of rotten eggs. Flaring nostrils. Flaring nostrils means the nose becomes wide. Muhammad Ali, if you see, his nose is very wide, takes in a lot of oxygen. And some people have pinched nose. They shrink their nose, especially when they don't like the person in front of them. And of course, wrinkled nose are all expressions that reflect an emotional reaction. These are some of the standard statements that we see. Something smells funny about her attitude. I smell money. This deal stinks. Something that originates from the nose itself. And it need not be something physical. It can be the behavior that we don't like. Whose nose is wide? Yeah, the one on the left. And if you see in the center, the nose is pinched. The whole thing is like shrinked. And sometimes when we don't like something, we can shrink our nose, or sometimes in an anger, or when we are excited, our nose widens. And these are small little subtle facial expressions that we generally don't notice. Have you heard of an effect called Pinocchio effect? There is a character in an old English novel, whenever he tells a lie, the nose expands. So anybody can catch him that he is telling a lie. And from this it has come as Pinocchio effect. Dr. Allen, he says that whenever we tell a lie, our erectile tissues inside our nose, it get engorged and we tend to scratch our nose or touch our nose. It's a sign that we are not comfortable. Maybe the person is telling a lie, especially when the person, what is your name? How many years of experience you have? 7 years. And if it's a lie, sometimes the person may bring their hand on the nose. We are told that you can tell when a person is lying from the mannerisms such as nose or ear rubbing. Either the person may take his hands towards the nose, or some people they generally keep their hand on the nose all the time. But if a person is, for some specific statement, if the person is taking the hands towards the nose, it could mean the person is feeling uncomfortable or probably telling a lie. Okay. See if you can become more aware of how your nose is. The swelling, the relaxation, and see if you can feel your face. And then you will be able to, if it is tensed, you will be able to relax yourself. Contempt, one-sided smile, something that I just took you through. This is a very clear sign, you cannot miss it. George Bush is always having contempt towards everybody, just not the Iraqi people. Surprise, it's very easy to find out. The whole eyes, they light up and the mouth opens. And the mouth is relaxed, not like fear expressions. You can see how the mouth is relaxed. It's a surprise. How many of you like surprises? A surprise party or something? Yeah. How the mouth opens up. Wow. Surprise is something very easy to find out. It's the briefest emotion. It just stays for a few seconds. Nobody can be surprised for a very long period of time. And this is the last, is the joy, the happiness. Of course, sometimes it can be very ecstatic. There's a lot of energy. Beautiful facial expressions and the eyes, and especially the lines towards the eyes here, you can see how happy that person is. It's not the smile, but it's the eyes that gives us the indication that the person is very happy. Beautiful. Of course, this is Mukesh Ambani's wife. She seems to be so happy. I don't know whether Mukesh Ambani will be so happy for this. Jyotika, we all know how happy her face is. Even old people, when they are happy, they look so nice. These are the 7 emotions, and of course, eyes also carry our eyes sometimes can reflect fear. It can also reflect anger. The eyes also are very expressive. But if the eyes are relaxed, people like you. Can you make out the facial expression? This side? This side? Okay, the last one. I'll end with this. Can you say this expression? Sadness. The lip corners are down. This one? Fear. This one? Of course, this is surprise. This is fear. This is surprise. This one? Happiness. And this one? Disgust. This one? And this one? Excellent. Thank you.
Hello. That was session on body language and facial expressions by Mr. Manoj of Zeal. May I now request Executive Director, Group Captain Vijay Kumar to present a memento to Mr. Manoj. Thank you, Mr. Manoj, for taking your time out.